11 bodies, buried along a lonely beach in Long Island, hidden for years. No suspect, no leads, just fear. Until 2023, when everything cracked open. A slice of pizza, a strand of hair, and a name no one expected, Rex Heuermann. This is the story of the Gilgo Beach serial killer. For over a decade, the breeze off Gilgo Beach whispered a secret no one could hear. A serial killer was hiding, in plain sight. It all began in May 2010. Shannan Gilbert, a 24-year-old escort, made a frantic 911 call in the middle of the night, screaming, "They're trying to kill me!" When police searched the area, they didn't find Shannan. But what they found would haunt the country. 4 women, all sex workers, all wrapped in burlap, hidden in the grass, left like trash. Over time, the body count grew.
8, 10, 11.
They called him the Craigslist Ripper. Years passed. No fingerprints, no suspects, just fear. The killer was a ghost. Then, in 2023, a name finally surfaced. Rex Heuermann, an architect, a husband, a father of 2, living just 30 minutes away from the crime scenes. Police found burner phones, disturbing searches, and in his basement, a kill kit. He wasn't just a suspect. He was a blueprint for evil. What finally cracked the case was DNA. A single hair traced back to his family, and that hair was found on a victim's body. Police followed him for weeks. They grabbed a slice of pizza he threw away. DNA matched. Game over. In 2023, he was charged with 3 murders. In 2025, it became 6. But some believe the number could be far higher. Shannan Gilbert's death is still undetermined. But to her family, she was the first victim, and maybe the only reason the others were ever found. Was Rex Heuermann a lone killer, or just one piece of something darker? What do you think? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe for more true crime stories, where the truth is always stranger than fiction.